This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Word open. Now reveal hidden formatting. Turn on Show/Hide Paragraph so you can see paragraph marks and manual page breaks. This tells you why the page exists. Next, open the navigation pane and pick the Pages tab. Click the target page to position the cursor. Once placed, inspect the end of that page for visible marks, paragraph symbols, manual page breaks, section breaks. Removing the right mark is the only reliable way to delete the unwanted page. Now you'll remove the element that forces the page. If you see a manual page break line, click it once and press delete. This immediately pulls text up. If paragraph marks paragraph remain at the end, select only those and press backspace. Avoid selecting text above. For section breaks that create an extra page, change the break type to continuous in Page Setup or delete the section break while preserving desired headers and footers. Make sure to check headers if layout shifts. Finish by verifying the page is gone. Toggle paragraph marks with Ctrl+Shift+8 so you can confirm no hidden marks remain. Once done, save the document. If the blank page persists, inspect for an oversized image, text box, or a final table row forcing a page. Resize or delete that object. If a trailing empty paragraph resists deletion, reduce its font size to 1 pt or set its spacing to 0. If something breaks, undo and try deleting the specific break type instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.